Hey guys, it's MC Fixit here. I have the FRANXI H4 bulbs. These are a 6000K cool light, a one-to-one design from Halogen to LED bulbs. And so this is just an easy plug and play for your vehicle. It comes with two of them. I'm going to walk you through some tests and give you guys my final thoughts on what I thought about this product. Let's go ahead and unbox it. There is a piece of wrap around it, so you will need to cut that open. It does come off pretty easily. The package just opens and you get both bulbs and you get a little fog light demonstration and understanding on how to use it, how to plug it into the electrical socket, some product specifications, some warnings, troubleshooting. So let's go ahead and look at these LED lights. These LED lights look really cool. It has a number of LED lights built into it. It is probably going to be hard to see, but there is a fan built into it as well to keep it cool. That is really important with LED lights that you do have that. Here are some regular Halogen H4 bulbs. These things are identical. It has the three little slits in it and has the three prongs on the back side. They are relatively identical size on height, which is great. The contacts are all where they need to be, so that works great. We'll see how easy these things are to install. It says you can do it within 5 minutes, so I bet you can, but we will test that as well. Then we'll do some nighttime driving tests and give you guys my thoughts on that. So we're going to start over here on the passenger side. We need to go ahead and remove the old one. So we're going to come in here and just wiggle this back and forth. This is your connector. And then there is a little rubber shroud around it. And then there is a metal piece that you're going to press in and pull out. And here is our old bulb. So you're going to want to verify the numbers, and this one is an H4. And so we're able to replace this easily with the H4 that we have. That is an LED. This is a halogen. You may want to save these bulbs if they aren't bad, just in case anything ever happens. You can't put these back in. Do not touch the center part where the actual light is on halogens, because you can ruin them very easily. So we're going to go ahead and take our new bulb out of the box. It does have a little piece of foam, and so just like that, we are going to go ahead and compare them. You do want to make sure it is the correct size. These are a 1-to-1 ratio, making sure that it actually does work and is the correct size. So I'm going to put the old one in the box, and then I'll just be able to save those. And you will notice it has three prongs. The two small prongs are at the bottom. The top prong is up here. So you are going to want to make sure to put that in correctly and pull this little metal piece out. Put it in correctly, and then put this little metal piece back in, and it latches underneath just like that. You're going to go ahead and grab your little shroud here and put it directly over it, and go ahead and plug back in electrical connector. And just like that, that is done. Go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Good, we're going to go ahead and test these out real quick. It is still daytime, so they probably are not going to be super duper bright, but I thought it'd be good to at least test them real quick. So here is the nighttime driving comparison. The top one is the regular halogen bulb, then the lower one is the FRANXI H4 bulb. You can see how much clearer it is. I tried to time these up the best I could, but you can kind of see it's the same road, almost same time of day, and the one below is just so much brighter. It's more of a cool blue than what even shows up on my iPhone camera here, which I think is really helpful when you are driving. You're able to see everything clearly and know if anything bad is coming your way. And we have a lot of deer where I live, so having brighter low beams is a really great advantage. I think the most noticeable difference is that 6000K brightness that you do see, and the distance you can see as well. I think it is very clear in the video, but I think even more clear in real life, driving and being able to just see a lot further. So the LED light is a 6000K cool white light, which will allow you to be able to see further down the road and is clear. I live out in the country, and it is really important that I'm able to see well on roads at night. This thing does have a cooling fan built into it, which is great because that will keep the LED cool and make it last a lot longer. Here's the next view. This is me just walking up on the vehicle from my neighbor's driveway. Again, that bottom is just so much more bright and crisp, and you can really see in. Then this is looking. So I've been using this product for about a week now, and I'm really liking how bright my lights are at night. This is very helpful. Where I live, there's lots of fields and deer that run across and other animals, and just being able to see further and clearer really does help make it safer to drive. These things aren't incredibly blinding for other people. I showed that a few moments ago, that you're not going to like blind somebody as you're driving. You simply remove the old one by disconnecting the wiring, and then twist and turn it out. Put the new one in, twist and lock it, and then reinstall the wiring, and you are done. You're able to drive again, and you have nice bright lights. If this was helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. If there's anything else you'd like to see in the future, make sure to comment that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day.